Yeah,
of the camping.
definitely.
And creep go.
Hello again. Either this is the continuation of the previous video or a new one. Hello again. We're just approaching slowly, and we're still far, but we're gonna get there. As you can see, maybe you recognize this area. We are going to Blencathra via Sharpest. The weather is amazing, the views are stunning, as you can see, spectacular, lovely. So friends, this was Sharp Edge. I hope you enjoyed. It was a very short scramble, and I don't know, I'm not specialist, but I could not rate this grade 1. Maybe it's below grade 1, because Kripgoch it's rated grade 1 as well, and it's big difference in between them two. But anyways, it's still enjoyable, still ticked from the list, and I enjoy it on maximum, especially on weather like this.
That's it. Right. Right.
So this was Blencathra, lovely views, guys. We're just gonna go to the site and find a little bit less crowded place to have a lunch, enjoy the views, and we'll continue. Extremely warm day, and we finished with the hiking. Enough for today, enough for these 2 days. We just stopped to base camp North Lake farm shop. Let's see what do they have, something to cool us down. Most probably we will need an ice cream. Let's have a look. Hello ladies, we're looking for ice cream. Do you have? Thank you so much.
When I see this cake, I think I want one cake as well.
It's
Because I'm really hungry.
Hello.
One cake is amazing.
Yeah?
Where is the ice cream?
I don't know. So I'm gonna try Thunder and Lightning. This is the ice cream I had yesterday with some kind of caramel inside. It's amazing. And mango sorbet. I can't wait to try, but the most important, most interesting thing is the cake. Have a look. Have a look. How does it look like? Strawberries, raspberries, blueberries. Can't wait to try it. Let's give it a try. It looks amazing. And it does taste amazing. Oh my god. And here you can see they have community garden. Awesome. Growing lavender, spring onion, some lettuce over there, some herbs here just in front. Awesome. Over there where I'm gonna go in a second, it's toilets, some sinks so you can wash. The lake is just behind. It's just awesome place to have a sit and enjoy a piece of cake, ice cream, even something else. So yes. So guys, this was pretty much everything. The farm shop was amazing, the food there was amazing. Food, the cakes, the sweets, it's definitely worth it to be visited. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this 2 days adventure, because we really did, and I will see you next time. See ya.